We're letting the animals out. Got the chickens out. This is Mr. Peanut.
Mr. Peanut.
All right, let's go make some food. A quarter cup of mayonnaise, about a teaspoon of whatever seasoning salt you like. Teaspoon of sweet hot mustard, half a teaspoon of chives, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll also need your hard-boiled eggs and either a pickle that you can chop or some relish. Hey y'all, we are going to make some egg salad. And if you don't like bread or are trying to be keto, low carb, and you want to still have egg salad, do it in a lettuce wrap. I love butter lettuce. It makes it just like you're eating an egg salad sandwich. If you haven't seen how I make my hard-boiled eggs, check out my link to my last video of deviled eggs, and that will show you everything you need to know to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. Let's grab our ingredients and get started. All right, so I'm just chopping, slicing, dicing these pickles. And like I said, if you would rather use relish, go for it. But I'm just chopping them in small little pieces. With my eggs, if you have an egg chopper, you can use that. I do, but I don't really want to wash it. So this is what I'm doing. Just chopping my eggs up. No big deal, just get them in your bowl. Because again, we're going to chop them up more. My husband likes his egg salad a little on the chunky side. All right, so how I peel my eggs, move this out of the way, is you just hard-boiled egg, roll it all the way until you have all these little pieces. So these are duck eggs. They peel a little bit different than chicken eggs. The membrane is so thick that they can be hard to peel. But when you get it going, they peel off beautifully. So these are from our duck. Her name is Queenie. It's our son's duck. Anyway, there you go. And choppy choppy. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get all my ingredients thrown in here and we'll put this together. All right, got all my eggs in here. I'm just gonna start dumping. Dump in my pickle. That's probably, I would probably put 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of your relish. It's about a quarter cup left in here. Perfect amount. If you want it a little bit more soupy, go for it. Add a little bit more mayonnaise. If you want a little bit dry, add a little less mayonnaise. That one is completely up to you. This is your food. I'm just giving you ideas. Give me a teaspoon. This is so good. I get it at Costco. I put it on almost everything. All right, get my teaspoon of mustard. If it's a little bit more, that's fine. If it's a little less, that's fine too. Like I said, it's to your taste. Okay, let's get the chives. I love chives. Absolutely love them. All right, quarter teaspoon of your onion powder. Quarter teaspoon of your garlic powder. And then your salt and pepper to taste. I start off with a good pinch and then I will work my way up from there. All right. And then we just get to mashing. And like I said, my husband likes it kind of chunky. So I'm gonna leave this kind of chunky. Just gonna get everything kind of working together a little bit. All right, I think this is a little bit dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise. That's looking better. All right, like I said, this is pretty chunky, but this is the way my husband likes it, so I'm cooking for him and my kids, and so I'm doing what they like. All right. Okay, let's give this a last little stir and then we're gonna taste it. Mmm. Maybe a touch more pepper and then it's perfect. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of egg salad. I don't know why. Just don't like it on bread, but I'll put it on lettuce. So if you're doing more low carb, putting this on a salad makes it so good. I'll use it as my dressing, and if you want to put some meat on there, you can, or just, this is a full protein. God made the egg. It's solid. It is a complete food. You don't take your whites and your egg yolks. No, God put them together for a reason. If he wanted them separate, he would have made them separate. My husband's getting ready to go to work. I'm getting his lunch made. We're gonna get him set with a nice, beautiful egg salad for work. All right, there we go. It is ready to go, and he is off to work. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you love this recipe. Oopsie. Ah. Okay. I'm making a mess. So let's give this a last little stir and a taste. Ugh, okay.